Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest to tell you in this tutorial is how to go for your Gmail recovery. In case someone who has stolen your Gmail ID, in case someone who has changed the password, yes, in case someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID, in case hacked your Gmail ID. Don't worry, we have one close by alternative way. By providing substantial information for the Google, you can show that this account is yours. How is it possible? So this ID has been recommended by one viewer. Unfortunately, he has lost his device, and due to that, he is unable to reset the password because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. So let's try another way. We are on a recovery phase, guys. We don't have device, so how can I go for? Now we don't have a hair. Try another way. We will approach. Now we will go for a hair. Click on a don't have a phone number. Now see here is a section that answer as many questions as you can and use the device where you have signed before, because we did not provide enough information for the Google to this show. This account is mine. How can I max? Yes, here is a clue that motives to recover your accounts, but we will not approach from here. Don't click on a try again, otherwise multiple times if I do here, so that another page will be opened from this browser, and there via different email we will have to give us some legal document proof identity card on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is mine or not. The total estimated time can be restricted more than 48 hours. If it is yours, then you will have the strong opportunity to create and store the password there. But such a long time, so we are not in the positions to wait. So let's go quickly. Just we will cut it from here, and what we'll do, just tap on a Play Store, guys. In a Play Store, we have the one browser that is via scarcely is a 2 MB. That's also quickly it will be downloaded. On the other hand, we will have to two changes. Come in especially, firstly, G browser. In a G browser, wallet, we will come to this and notification 2 time make it, so automatically it will be blocks. Then come in the permission. In the permission, we will have to come now location. In the location, we will have to navigate this precise location off and click on here don't allow. So this permission no longer device no longer is a function intended. Fine. Now we will come to once again in the Chrome. So we have the second browser, that is Chrome. Hold it. Tap on these icons, and of course we will come the notification. Make it 2 times. Automatically it will be blocks. Go back. Come the permission. Navigate the location, guys. Of course we will come in here. Make the precise location off. We will don't allow NBA. We'll back. One more time. Face. That we will off. One more time. Just tap on this arrow. Now see here, we will cut it from here. Once again, what we will do, guys, here we will open this browser. Let's see. In this browser we will have to type it. Now what will happen, we are on a home page. Just on this we will have to write googlecode.in, and of course we will go for next. Now we are on here, we will wait for this, and of course we will go for signing. Now here we will have to type this particular Gmail, that is a yes, we will type on a next, guys, and here we will go for forgot password. We'll go for here, try another way. Now what will happen, so guys, here just we will go for try another way, and now see similar strategy. Of course we will go for don't have a password, phone number, sorry. More tips to the recovers via approach these ones, but via different way. Here similar, don't click on a try again, so otherwise of course in this account would be freeze for permanent or for time beings, for temporary. So why it can be? Because I'm trying to recover the particular this Gmail like that doesn't belong to me. By reference browser, that's why I'm the trying. So of course this can be excused on the basis of Google will freeze it. So more tips to recover your accounts. Of course, Google will endorse to justify and give an opportunity. So don't worry, just we will come in a Google service by a different way. These all are crucial steps, guys. We will come in a help. So before coming in the help, just we will cut it from here, and one thing, let it yours. We will come in a Chrome to hold it, and of course via here we will come in a browser apps, and the browser apps to here the via these ones we will have to approach in this. Then once again we will come in the setting, guys. In setting now, see what will magic happens. We will come in the Google service. In the Google service here, guys, we will come in a help, and the helper 2, of course, we will come in a consign in. And the consign in there, we will come now. You think someone else is using this. Now what we will do, guys, here, we will have to wait. We will go for secure your accounts. Then of course we will go for here, review your account activities. Then of course we will come in here, review your account activities, find out if your account has been hacked. So where it is, we will come in here. These tips can help. Now we will see, guys, here. Now just we will here click on 3 dot. We have any options? Yes, say articles and feedbacks, and clear and the history and vision info we don't have. So let's see, we will go for recovery page, and here what will happen here, guys, just we will have to write this particular email. So this email we will have to enter. Then yes, we will go for here, click to our next. So here, see one thing, before clicking on here, I would like to precautions to you. What we will have to do here, just simply we will click on a next and don't go for continue, guys. Now see, directly we would be here, and here these options don't do continue, otherwise you would be trapped in a, it's a verify your options. So in that conditions, smartly you will have to go for change the password, and change the password here. Now we have the strong opportunity to create the strong the password by Google itself, giving an opportunity. So by different strategy, by similar strategy, we will have to approach it. Now here on a live screen, so we cannot create a strong the password here, otherwise this would be in a public domain. So sorry for it, guys. After screening off, we will generate here, and after changing, make sure you have to go in the security center. There we will have to add the recovery email and recovery phone number, so that such kind of incident won't be repeated again. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Further any inquiry and confusions, raise the query below the comment. So pleasure would be mine to reply your query. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.